Hello friends, welcome back to Saujany's English class, and in today's class we are going to learn about another interesting clause, that is adverb clause. By definition, an adverb is a part of speech that modifies a verb, an adjective and another adverb in a sentence. Exactly like that. An adverb clause is a group of words that function as an adverb in a sentence. Though it is a group of words, its function is as that of an adverb, that is to modify a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Example, I will return home when I finish my work. I will return home, independent clause. When I finish my work, adverb clause. Here, entire adverb clause refers to when I return home. And when is the adverb of time. Okay. So, our adverb clause started with a subordinating conjunction when over here. And when itself is an adverb of time, when the action takes place or going to take place. That is what it is going to convey us. The features of an adverb clause are, it is one of the three dependent clauses. The other two are noun clause and adjective clause. It has a subject and a verb like other dependent clauses. It answers the questions how, why, where, when, to what extent, under what conditions, etc. Okay. Basically all adverb questions. It starts with a subordinating conjunction. It can be placed at the beginning, in the middle or at the end of the sentence. Of course, there are some exceptions. Otherwise, 99% we can place them at the beginning, in the middle or at the end of the sentence. You are safe as long as you follow the rules. Here, as long as you follow the rules is our adverb clause, and it is placed towards the end of the sentence. It can come in the beginning as well. As long as you follow the rules, a comma, you are safe. That way also we can write. And one thumb rule is, whenever we start our sentence with any adverb clause, we have to place a comma after that. For that matter, any subordinating clause, we have to place a comma after that, and then we should write main clause. Okay. Here it starts with the conjunction as. Tells us to what extent, till what time you are safe, as long as you follow the rules. That is, to what extent you can be safe. And it modifies the adjective safe. Adverb clause doesn't modify a particular word in the independent clause. It shows the relationship between the clauses in a sentence. For example, a noun clause can act as a subject, an object or an complement or whatever, and adjective clause describes noun or pronoun in the sentence. But as far as adverb clause is concerned, it doesn't modify any word in particular, but its main function is to show the relationship between the main clause and the dependent clauses that are used in that particular sentence. Example, although I don't like it, I eat broccoli because it is healthy. If you see here, we have two adverb clauses. Although I don't like it, because it is healthy. Both are adverb clauses only. And some of the students have a doubt whether we can use two adverb clauses in a single sentence or not. Yes, it is possible. It is a complex sentence. A complex sentence has one main clause and it can have any number of subordinating clauses. Let us see the analysis of this sentence. Here we have two adverb clauses. Although I don't like it and because it is healthy. Although introduces contrast. I don't like but I eat it. Because introduces reason. I eat it as it is healthy. We can't write I eat broccoli although I don't like it because it is healthy. Why? What is the problem? It seems right, but it isn't actually. I eat broccoli although I don't like it. Till then it is okay. Because it is healthy. It means that You don't like broccoli because it is healthy. Do you mean that? No, I don't mean to say that. I don't like it because it is healthy. Why I don't like it? But I eat. There is a contrast over here. Okay? Because it is healthy is the continuation of I eat it. Why do I eat it? Because it is healthy. Although I don't like it, has nothing to do with because it is healthy. Do you understand the thing? So, we can't invert this sentence structure and we can't start it with the main clause because there is no continuation between these two adverb clauses in the sentence. I don't mean to say that I don't like broccoli because it is healthy. I mean to say that although I don't like it, I eat broccoli because it is healthy. These two are connected over here. Okay, whereas although I don't like it is the clause that is showing contrast over here. So we have to be very careful. Of course, we can use two adverb clauses in a single sentence, but we have to be very careful with their order. And then there are 8 types of adverb clauses in English. They are adverb clause of reason, purpose, contrast, manner, time, place, degree and condition. Okay, I have videos on all these topics in my channel previously. You can go and visit my channel for these adverb clauses. Let us see first one, reason. It is introduced by the subordinators because, since, as and that. Reason itself, we need some conjunctions like this: because, since, as and that. All these conjunctions show reason. Example, she attends concerts a lot because she likes music. Why does she attend concerts a lot? Because the reason is she likes music. Next one is purpose. It is introduced by the conjunctions that, so that, in order that, lest, etc. I explained about this particular word lest in the video adverb clause of purpose previously. Please go and check it for clear understanding. Example, he wants to get a high paid job so that he can fulfill his responsibilities. He might have so many responsibilities to fulfill. He wants to get a high paid job. Normal job won't suffice. He needs some high paid job so that he can fulfill his responsibilities. What is the purpose of that? He can fulfill his responsibilities. And contrast, it is introduced by the subordinators though, although, even though, while, whereas, in spite of and even if. Example, John is very polite whereas his brother is rude. It expresses contrast. John is very polite. Polite with rude. That is the contrast over here. And manner. Manner is introduced by the conjunctions as though, as if, and like. Example, she looked as though she was hiding something. She looked as though she was hiding something. Her body language, her behavior was so strange. In such a manner, she was behaving as though she was hiding something. An adverb clause of time. It is introduced by the subordinators when, whenever, before, after, as, while, until, as soon as, and since. List is very big, but it is not so difficult to understand. Example, he gets excited whenever it's his turn to speak. He gets excited whenever, in the sense, whenever he gets opportunity. Never mind the time, place, whatever it is. He gets excited whenever it's his turn to speak. An adverb clause of place. It is introduced by the conjunctions where, wherever, and everywhere. Example, we were welcomed everywhere we went. We were welcomed everywhere we went. Degree. My adverb clause of degree. It is introduced by the subordinators as, so as, such that, and than. Example, he worked as hard as he could. However, it is possible for him. How far it is possible for him. Okay, he stretched himself. And condition, adverb clause of condition is introduced by the subordinates if, unless and provided that. Example, he can't manage with his debts unless he gets a promotion. He is in debts now. He can't manage his debts unless he gets a promotion. And this is the time for quiz. Simple one. Identify the adverb clause by its type. Keep the scissors away because you might hurt someone. I brush my teeth before going to bed. You have to follow the rules if you like it or not. Stop playing so that you can eat your dinner. Although he is rich, he is a miser. He follows her wherever she goes. He behaves as if he is the principal of the college. You are in safe hands as long as you abide by the law. So this is today's simple quiz. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for being with me. Meet you soon with another interesting video. In the meanwhile, you can go and check my adverb clauses. Individual videos are there on my channel for your clear understanding. Okay. Stay home, stay safe. Bye for now, guys.